Bale, ang sabi ng kasi ko sa mga raya sa kanila is mag-relax lang sila para hindi na mapagod dahil sila naman daw po ang lamang. Ang importante lang po ay mabantayan nila ang net ng kalaban.
Yes. Very good word of wisdom of course kay Makaraya, no? Talagang, tama! Sila! Yes! Of course, ganito naman ang usually first game in the in some games, di ba? Sabi nga nila, pag medyo hindi gigil, sometimes it also works wonders dahil pag skill ka to play and score and do your stuff and at the same time magyabang, di ba? Medyo yun ang nagiging problema ng mga players natin. Hindi, they go into turnovers and all of those things. Pero man, you know, some coaches, no, in cases like this, ito nga, opening of the season, they want to make a statement. Yeah. Parang, beware of the Baycats. Yes, this is a statement indeed. One of the contenders, I see, was Pacific Bay Sharks, are, again, one of the contenders, pero anong ginawa ng Baycats? Pinambakan nila. Well, medyo, speaking of trying to make a statement and also tambakan of the night. Kahit na banggit ng 19 points, no? Itong data, yung 67 ay binalik pa rin. Because ay Makaraya, ayaw na maging complacent, baka kasi magkaroon ng confidence ang Baycats ladies and gentlemen. So, binalik ko niya si Chris Lucerne. Siyempre, in a blowout like this, gusto ko pa rin your patterns are done and hindi nagkakanya-kanya ng mga players. Saka, another important aspect regarding the statement mo na yan, no? Kasi yung format natin, so, napaka-importante din yung coaches. Kasi, siyempre, no, you should always think of the possibility na makakaroon tayo ng mga ties or standing. So, siyempre, napaka-importante ng point differential breaking ties. Correct. Sabi nga nila, the only way na hindi magkakatay ay pag mag-shoot lahat ng team. Pero, imposible yun. Hindi pwede yan. Pwede yung dalawang trip, 12-0, yung isa naman 0-12. As we see, JC! Yes, that's what he done well. Scoring 2 points inside, kahit dalawa ng bantay niya. But of course, Jake, you know, on the part naman of Coach Sherwin McCoy. So he wants to tell his players, or just tell his players to keep up their integrity. And, you know, ayaw niya yung mga players na mag-develop ng mga bad habits. Kasi gusto niya, yung players na will still remain positive para they can carry this positive feeling and attitude to their next game. Ano mo? Pangyayari ng gusto. As I mentioned a while ago, because it's Saisio from Olongapo, ay nakikita naman natin players from these cities getting time and nakikita natin na sumikat ito mga to in the future. And they all started in this league. Saka paganda nito, they don't have to leave their families. They will still stay with their families para the family will still be together. Kasi marami na tayo mga players who are good but they opt not to study in their own provinces, go to Manila. Pero ito, this is an opportunity for Caviteños and people from Olongapo, right, to enroll in these schools and get the opportunity to play their varsity games. That's right. So again, score natin 76-61, make that 77-61 with 2 minutes and 54 seconds left. Aba, nandito na pala itong si Lloyd Polo. And this guy is a legitimate freshman, huh? He is from their junior team. So, gusto ni Coach Makaraya na mapuno na yung game.
Sayang!
Ano yan fan na fan siya ng isang 3-point shootout winner natin ng NBA kita, si Jason Capon. So kasi ganun yata kagaling daw sa outside yung Capon. That's why kahit first year siya, he was able to earn a spot. Actually, bihira yan, yung first year, varsity kaga. Yeah. As we see, another rebound. Gary. With lucky jumper. I almost thought when he lost the goal that it was a miscarry. Yun na nga eh. Sabi nga ng mga beta, they were looking for a strategic violation, but referee Bermeo just let it be. And Polo, hindi na po na siya. Carry once again!
Foul.
Block foul. As both coaches now are emptying their benches, save for Christopher as he is still at the point.
Hindi naman siya nag-delay-delay ng fadeaway siya.
Medyo, you can see a smile of Kerwin now. I almost mistook him for another player to go to Kerwin. But now I know that he's the real McCoy. Ah, of course. Nag-iisang Kerwin McCoy yan. One of the best players produced by San Beda in the 90s. Okay, so we go back to our player on hand, Cesar Carey, 2 free throws. So nakikita natin na, despite the deficit of the Sharks, mataas pa lang energy ng mga players na ito. Siyempre, Anthony, siyempre, it's the first game and we don't want to send a negative signal. Gusto natin yun yung malaki na ang lamang ng Vegas ay positive pa rin ang outcome ng kanilang game. That's why dapat ang energy would stay. Yes, they will carry this to their next game, no? Si Raymond Alcazaba, si Jim Garcia.
Uy! Galing! Bulta ka lang! Grabe na, grabe.
Hindi mo sinabihan si Sal kumuha ko. Ano niya pa?
I just like to point out, actually, ako po ay galing Manila, di po ako galing
Mabera niya na lang yung kalaban.
baka